Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can create a personal diary in Notion. It's 2025, and we're going to make the best use of Notion's up-to-the-minute features. To kick things off, you need to sign in or create your Notion account. Just head to Notion's website and follow the prompts. It's crucial to start here because without an account, you won't be able to save and revisit your diary entries. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create a new page for your diary. On your Notion workspace, click the plus New Page button. This helps us because it allows us to dedicate a specific space for our diary, keeping it separate from other notes or projects. Next up, you'll want to give this new page a title. I suggest something simple like My Personal Diary. This step is essential because it helps you easily locate your diary among other pages. Now let's add some structure to our diary. Click on the body of the page and type /template. Then choose the gallery view option. The reason we do this is to create individual cards for each diary entry, giving you a visual overview of your entries. Once you've got that gallery view, it's time to customize it. Click on the Properties button and select Add a Property. Choose the Date property and name it Diary Date. This helps us because it allows us to timestamp each entry, keeping our diary organized chronologically. Moving on, let's add a template for our diary entries. Click on the New button in your gallery view, then select Edit. Here, you can design the layout for your entries. For example, you might include a title, the date, and a large text box for your entry. Let me explain why this matters. Setting up a template streamlines the process for future entries, saving you time and maintaining consistency. Now, whenever you want to make a diary entry, all you have to do is click New on your gallery view and fill in the template you've created. This is a breeze because you've done the hard work up front, and now you can focus on what really matters, your thoughts and experiences. To wrap things up, Notion provides a flexible and efficient way to maintain a personal diary. With your account set up, a dedicated page, and a custom template, you're all set to journal your journey. Remember, the key is in the setup. Once that's done, jotting down your thoughts becomes a seamless process. Until next time, happy journaling.